Ever wondered what's really going on inside an HDD drill rig? It's more than just a big machine. It's a high-tech system designed for precision underground work. Let's break it down, piece by piece. In this video, we'll explore the core parts inside an HDD drill rig, from control units to hydraulic systems, and explain how they all work together to drill through soil with power and accuracy. Let's start where the magic begins, the operator's cabin. This is the command center. You'll find joystick and control panel for drill head rotation and thrust. Pressure gauges, locator screen connected to the Falcon or Digitrack system. Emergency shut-off buttons for safety. The operator uses these controls to guide the drill head underground with precise steering. Next is the drill rack, where rods are stored and fed into the system. The automatic rod loader loads one drill rod at a time, connecting each to the last as the drill moves forward. Every rod is threaded and torqued automatically, so the drilling continues smoothly and safely. The hydraulic power pack is the rig's muscle. It powers, thrust, and pull-back system. Rotary drive for the drill head, rod loader, and clamp systems. This system runs off a diesel engine and requires regular maintenance like filter checks and fluid top-ups. No HDD rig works without drilling mud. Inside or near the rig, you'll find mud mixing unit with bentonite tank, mud pump that circulates fluid through the drill rods to the head. The mud cools the drill head, removes soil, and stabilizes the hole. Once drilling is done, rods need to be disconnected. This is where the clamp and breakout wrench come in. These tools grip and rotate the rods to loosen or tighten them during drill string changes. Modern rigs are loaded with sensors for pressure and flow, emergency alarms, auto shut-off features. These systems help prevent breakdowns and injuries on site. So that's what's inside an HDD rig. Not just steel and hydraulics, but a carefully designed system that brings underground construction to life. Understanding each part helps you troubleshoot better, work safer, and drill smarter. If you found this useful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more HDD side vlogs, beginner guides, and behind-the-scenes action from the field. Got questions about your rig? Drop them in the comments.